This is the Alsbury Simulator, which is a brand new product from Minute Charger, and the entire purpose of this simulator is to mimic a GSE for our Altus 2 chargers. This is also backwards compatible with Altus 1, so this will work with a firmware update on the charger side for Altus 1. But to give you a rundown of our product, it comes in a couple of varieties. So this one right here comes in a Euro port and a BIW 9-pin combo variety. We also offer just Euro port varieties and RIMA varieties for our European customers. Some of the tests that this box will actually run is it will run our pilot test, which specifically is the vehicle detection circuit of our charger. It'll also run a CAN test that monitors the communication between the charger and the BMS that would be on your vehicle. And then last but not least, we will run a brief 10 to 11 second charge test in order to test the output of each of the power modules as you plug into the appropriate port. So I will go ahead and give a demonstration for you guys real quick. So I've already plugged the charge cable into the side of my Alsbury Simulator. I'm going to go ahead and unplug and plug back into the charger. Now that I've plugged it in, we've tested pilot because it's been detected, and now we are running our tests. We are going to go ahead and run our CAN communication test, which is progressing right now. That was a pass. Now that that's a pass, if we go ahead and shift our focus over to the charger, we are now going to be outputting current and of course voltage to the charger. Typically we shoot for around 20 and 20, like so. Now that the charge is complete, if we go ahead and come back here, we go ahead and we record the voltage and the current as we measure it from the box, and of course it's a pass. Now, as far as your quick electrical fact for the day, one of the things you might have noticed is that on the actual charge screen, we read around 20 and 20, but over here we read around 19 and 19. The charge cables that Minute Charger provides with some of our chargers is the 17-foot variety of cable. And when you output current over 17 feet, you will run into a voltage drop, typically around 1 to 1.5 volts. So if we're looking at 19 and 19, when we're looking at outputting 20 and 20, we are right on track, and this is a pass.